Hello, in front of me I've got Thomson TEO 13P tab. In this video I'll show you how to set custom notification sound. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and go to Sound. Go to Default Notification Sound, add notification, downloads or resends, and select your custom sound. Tap OK and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.